Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to get Call of Duty Mobile on your Huawei smartphone without Google services, just follow every step and you can get it really fast and easy. You'll need a second smartphone with the Play Store, and here I have the Huawei P30 Pro. Download Call of Duty Mobile and the Phone Clone app on both devices to transfer the application. On both smartphones, tap Phone Clone. Select the phone with Play Store as the old phone, and the Huawei without Google services as the new phone. You can scan the QR code or input the password manually to connect. Unselect all, scroll down, select Apps and Data, choose Call of Duty, tap Transfer and confirm. Wait for the transfer to complete, then click OK and finish. Grant the permissions, check your connection, and open Call of Duty. It will download the available patch, so it's working. I hope this helped. If it did, leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.